Required ingredients: 2 large eggs, 2 handfuls of spinach leaves, 4 to 5 fresh mint leaves, 1 tablespoon coconut flour, pinch of baking soda, pinch of salt, butter/oil for greasing the pan. Now are you ready to make some delicious spinach pancakes? Great! First, let's make sure our spinach is squeaky clean. Rinse it thoroughly and remove any stems or big veins from the leaves. Now, it's time to blend. Put the spinach, eggs, and mint in a food processor and blend away until you get a smooth and beautiful green mixture. Next, we'll add the secret ingredient, coconut flour. Mix it with baking soda and gently fold it into the mixture. Let's heat up a non-stick frying pan over medium heat and give it a nice coating of butter or oil, whichever you prefer. Now, pour in 2 tablespoons of the mixture and spread it out evenly in the pan. Cook it up for a bit on both sides until it's golden brown and beautiful. And there you have it, scrumptious spinach pancakes. Don't forget to garnish them with your favorite filling and serve them up hot. Enjoy! Here are some tricks and tips by me. Looking to avoid pancakes with those pesky strings? Look no further. Just grab some fresh, young spinach leaves and say goodbye to those stem-induced strands. But let's not forget the importance of a good wash. We don't want any surprise sand bits crunching away in our mouths later on, do we? Not a fan of spinach? No problemo. Mix it up with some arugula, nettle, or any other spring greens that tickle your fancy. Don't be afraid to get creative with the garnishes. Use whatever's lurking in your fridge and let your taste buds lead the way. And if you're loving these savory spinach pancakes as much as we are, please spread the love. Leave a like and subscribe. Share the recipe with those special people in your life who value delicious food. Let's make the world a tastier place, one pancake at a time. Enjoy!